Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh, and in this video I am going to demonstrate you how you can perform an Agarose gel electrophoresis. So first step is the casting of the gel or making of preparation of the gel. Next phase is the loading of the sample in the gel, and finally the check the gel on gel doc imager biorad for the result analysis. So let's jump into the topic and I will show you how you can prepare your gel. So I have here 25 ml 1x TB. So this is a buffer in which you can prepare the agarose gel, and first we have to measure the amount of the agarose and then add it to this 1x TB, and then we boil the mixture, and next phase we add Ethereum bromide and then pour into the caster. So let's begin. So first here we have to measure appropriate amount of agarose. So just pour the agarose into the TB. You can use TAE, that is tris acetate EDTA, for your gel preparation, but I am using here the TB, tris borate EDTA. The normal properties of the agarose, it does not dissolve in the TB in the room temperature. Take out the mixture and gently mix it, and again microwave it. So after the successful completion of the microwave, take out the mixture from the microwave and put it on a place, and let's it put down in a place to cool down. Now we have to set up our caster. So this is our gel caster. So just fix the caster and place a comb. Now this caster is ready, and after adding ETBr, Ethereum bromide, gently swirl the mixture and now pour into the caster. After pouring, just settle it down for 35 to 40 minutes at room temperature to solidify the gel. Now the gel has prepared, and we, after the completion of the PCR or other reactions, we now add samples to this particular gel and run the gel electrophoresis. Okay. Switch on the biorad power pack, set at 80 millivolt and just run. Just run. Now you will observe that the buffer is running. After the completion of the agarose gel electrophoresis, now we take out the samples from the gel chamber and place it onto the UV tray, and further we can check the result. So, okay, now we place the UV tray into the gel doc imager biorad. And turn on the machine and check in ImageLab software. So after the completion of this procedure, you can check the result in this particular software, and the particular result like this displayed on the screen right now. So this is the total process of agarose gel electrophoresis. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.